In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove members from Trello. Maybe someone has left your team, or you've simply invited the wrong person to a workspace. Whatever the reason, keeping your Trello boards tidy and secure is important, and removing members you no longer need is a simple way to do that. I'll walk you through the exact steps slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Trello and go to the board where you manage your team's work. You can do this by signing in and then selecting the board from your workspace or boards list. Make sure you're on the correct board, especially if you manage multiple projects. You'll need to have the right permissions, typically as a board or workspace admin, in order to remove people. Once you're on your Trello board, look towards the very top corner of the page for your profile icon. This is usually a small circle with either your initials or a picture. Click on that profile icon. This opens a menu that gives you access to your account and workspace controls, which is where Trello keeps all of the membership and security options. From the menu that appears, click on the option labeled Settings. This will take you to a broader settings area where you can change things like your profile, notifications, and importantly for this video, your members and permissions. If you don't see settings, double check that you're logged into the correct account and that you have the necessary access. Within the settings area, look for and click on Members. This is the section where Trello lists all the people who are part of your workspace. You'll see each member's name and other basic details. Take a moment here to confirm you're looking at the right workspace and identify the person you want to remove. Being careful at this stage helps you avoid removing the wrong member. Next, find the member you want to remove in the list and look for the Remove option next to their name. When you click Remove, Trello may ask you to confirm that you really want to do this. Go ahead and confirm. After that, the member will no longer have access to that workspace and its boards. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can keep your Trello workspace secure and limited only to the people who actually need access.